One second. Is the presentation visible? Sir, is the presentation visible? Yeah. Sir, this is the last presentation from our department. It is randomized central inspection. This is also under the mandate of World Bank and under ease of doing business of DPIIT, Government of India. It is basically a single synchronized random inspection for three departments, namely Labor, Pollution Control Board, and Legal Metrology. So these are the acts under which the inspections are covered. There are basically 12 acts. 10 are from Labor. Legal Metrology has 1 act, and 2 from Pollution Control Board. So the idea is to make a single synchronized joint inspection. Basically, this is the basis of this central inspection system, that is risk classification of industries. We have classified industries into low risk, medium risk, and high risk. For low risk establishments, only self-certification by the applicant is taken. No government inspection is done. But this doesn't bar any surprise inspection or complaint-based inspection. The inspection for the surprise inspection and complaint-based inspection still continue, but based on good faith, we do allow low-risk buildings to we do give approvals to low-risk establishments based on self-certification by the applicant itself. And for medium risk establishments, we have empaneled third parties. The third parties are empaneled by their respective departments. The technical guys who will give a third party certification. And here also we have done away with government inspections. So only the high risk establishments, this central inspection system will be applicable to. On the whole, we have eliminated about 90% of inspections for the MSMEs, because mostly MSMEs fall under either low or medium. High risk establishments are largely, they fall under industries department. So we have on the whole eliminated a lot of inspections, and for high risk establishment, to rationalize and simplify the inspection regime, we have brought this central inspection system. So these are the features of the central inspection system. The first is that inspectors are randomized. The software allocates the inspectors, and the logic followed is that the same inspector will not inspect the same establishment twice consecutively. This is the logic. So the inspectors are not randomized interdepartmental, but within the department, within the zone, the inspectors are randomized. So, and this randomized inspectors, after randomizing the inspectors, the scheduling is made that this inspector will inspect this establishment. The department-wise scheduling. The labor department will give a schedule, and pollution control board will give another schedule, and this one, legal metrology, will give another schedule, and the schedule which matches with all the three. For example, on Monday 2 p.m., the timing scheduled by all the three departments are matching. Then that particular time is chosen for inspection. Every department is supposed to give an option of 4 or 5 schedules, and the system will automatically match the schedule which matches with all the departments. So this is how scheduling is done for inspection. And on the day of inspection, the joint inspection is done. And before the inspection, 48 hours before the inspection, an SMS and email alert is sent to the respective industry to keep things ready. And after inspection, within 48 hours of inspection, the downloadable report is uploaded in a portal. This is the process flow and the way it works. Most important thing is that here the inspection is restricted to the checklist which is available in the public domain, which is available in our portal. The inspector will not inspect things which are beyond this checklist. For example, he goes and the inspector wants to check a boiler. He will not check the compliances under Shops and Establishment Act. He will not check under Minimum Wages Act. He will only restrict to the boilers. So this checklist we have provided, and the inspector will confine himself with the checklist only. Other features are a chat box we have made to address the grievances and to address the frequently asked questions. And a grievance module helpline is also available, where any applicant can call up and ask for queries. This is the live portal, screenshot of the portal, where you can see the inspection reports available. The industry has applied and the inspection reports are available. And this is scheduling of the dates. Joint inspections are scheduled this way. So that is from our side, sir. This is basically to sort of bring a bit of transparency in inspection and make sure that inspector doesn't harass the industries. So we have made this model. This is also under ease of doing business of World Bank. Under the guidance of them only we have done this, sir. I'll be happy to answer any questions, sir.
So Vijay, how is the system working? When have you introduced and how it is working?
Sir, this was introduced in late 2019, but it started picking up in 2020. And now all the three departments have made it mandatory to do inspections only through this system. And we are the nodal agency, nodal agency for this system. And all the three departments have issued notifications that all inspections will be carried out in a synchronous way through the system only. There won't be any separate inspection. So it is working on pretty well when it comes to transparency is concerned, and more importantly, the inspectors are randomized. And because now we are off late we are randomizing. Before we were randomizing within zones. Now we are randomizing like inter zones and all. So basically this to a large extent prevents harassment of the lower level inspectors to a great extent. That is the feedback we have got from the industry community.
And what is the grievance system?
Grievance is like if the reports are not uploaded on time or the inspection doesn't happen on time, and frequently asked questions, we have got a chat box. So this is basically to help out the industries to get their premises inspected.
Because I feel 48 hours for giving inspection report is on higher side. It needs to be brought down. This is my personal feeling, especially in today's era. 48 hours. I don't know whether you count it 2 days or 4 days.
Sir, actually, we have provided tabs to the inspectors. Sir. Actually, they can upload it real time itself.
Correct.
But this, according to the ease of doing business mandate mandated by World Bank, they have given us time up till 48 hours. So we are using the same phrase. But actually, as you rightly said, sir, since all of them have a tab, they can real time upload it, because giving them more time will give rise to more things. So it's a good suggestion, sir. We'll take it up.
Thank you.